Let's see. Oh, I think it's starting to come now, guys. I'm starting to see it really good all of a sudden. Do you see what I see? I see orange. Not red anymore, not yellow anymore, but orange. That's an excellent orange. I love it. So I'm gonna try and do something special with these. I have some other molds from another kit that I did. And so I'm gonna see if I can do, let's see, here's my other molds. They're a little smaller, but maybe I can do an orange Zuma. Let's try. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't need as much, but I'll press it in. Please come out, Zuma. And gently, gently. Come on out, Zuma. It worked! Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe it worked, you guys. It's a smaller mold, but it really worked. All right, maybe I can set him right by Ryder. Hopefully he doesn't fall apart like some of our other ones have done. Okay, so let's see. I've got this green, which I think would be perfect to do with Rocky. Come on, Rocky. Come out and play. Let's all hang out at the beach. Right? That would be fun. Let's all hang out at the beach. All right, here we go. Rocky, Rocky, come out, Rocky. Slowly, gently. There's Rocky. Not too bad. I can see all the parts. Pretty good. Oh, he might be coming apart a little bit. I'm gonna have to be really careful with Rocky. Let's see if I can set him gently to the side. Be safe, Rocky. All right, then maybe I can do Everest. Here's Everest with my purple. I think that would be a good color for Everest. Let's pull some purple off. All right, Everest, come on out. We're ready to see you. I try to be so careful. The kinetic sand isn't quite as strong as Play-Doh is, so I'm trying to be gentle. Okay, I think it'll just slide right out. I hope. There we go. I got it started. There's Everest. Wow, Everest looks really good. Hang on, let me clean her up a little bit and I'll give you a closer look. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow, that really came out nice. Everest, you did an awesome job there. All right, stay over here with Rocky. Help him out, okay? He looks great. Now, since we were at the beach, I thought I might bring in some fun molds, beach molds. This is a turtle. And then I also have a seahorse. And so I have a little bit of brown kinetic sand that I thought I could use. I'll stuff that in our turtle. This brown is actually really soft. You can even see it's a little bit more crumbly than the ones we were using for the molds, for our Paw Patrol molds. But you know what's really cool about this brown is it looks just like the beach. I think maybe I'll just slide it over here like they're playing in the sand. Here's our sea turtle. Come out, sea turtle. Oh, there he is. Hang on, I'll show you. Oh, his little foot. Little foot, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh no, he's falling apart. I better set him down in the ocean. I gotta set him down in the water. Sorry. Well, that one didn't work as well as I wanted it to. Let's try the seahorse next. All right, stuff some of this brown sand in there. I'll just let all that extra fall off. That's okay. And we'll slide out the seahorse. Come on out. I'm trying to be careful. Look at that. Let's get a closer look. Let me see. Oh wow, look at the detail. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and set him down in the water before he falls apart. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. Please let me know what character you like best and what color kinetic sand you think is your favorite. See you in the comment section. Bye! Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red. It's Chase. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green. Marshall. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Blue. Sky. Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow. Zuma. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Purple. Rocky. Who's your favorite Paw Patrol character? Let me know in the comment section. Daddy Pig, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green. Daddy Pig. Mommy Pig, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red. Mommy Pig. Brother Pig, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow. George. Sister Pig, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Purple. Peppa Pig. Susie Sheep, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Blue. Susie Sheep. Which Peppa Pig character is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red. It's Chase. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green. Marshall. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, am, how do you do? Blue. Sky. Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow. Zuma. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Purple. Rocky. Who's your favorite Paw Patrol character? Let me know in the comment section. Till next time, bye!